for the tour. So on this side of the dam, I'm in Arizona. So I'm in Arizona time. And when we'll cross the dam, on the other side, we'll be in Nevada with the Nevada time. Crazy, no? So now I'm on Arizona state, so it's 11:20. So like you see, just a 2-minute walk, and it's like 12:25 now. Look at the view of the bridge. It's like amazing. Look at that. Woo! This tattoo is look like we are like in Egypt. The view on the Hoover Dam on the other side. So we cross the bridge. So on the right it's Arizona, and on the left it's Nevada. Big statue and the bridge on the back. You have a mini cafe on this side, and on the other side you have a gift shop. So you need to pass the security like at the airport to go inside the visitor center and do the tour.
It's going to give you a couple wristbands, just keep them on the right wrist.
We start the tour with a 10-minute movie. There's so many workers who stayed.
It's going to be taken by my colleague Alan. He's going to join us pretty soon after he empties out his theater. And he will take you on the first 2 stops in the power plant, and I'll take you in the last 2 stops.
We go out of the elevator. We are completely on the bottom.
Lucky number 13.
Of the dam.
All right.
Look at that. It's like crazy.
Before I get started on this short presentation, everybody always wants to know, well, where am I right now? So let's show you where you are. We started the tour in the visitor center up above, and on the diagram, the visitor center is right there. We came down about 500 feet on the elevator, got off the elevator right there, well, walked up the tunnel, and that's where we're now standing. In fact, what you're looking at out that window right there is this part of the diagram. As it turns out, they could build a very tall dam in this canyon. In fact, when Hoover Dam was finished in 1935, this was the tallest dam in the whole world, 726 feet tall. By having a tall dam in this canyon, they could create the largest man-made lake in the U.S. behind it.
We're on the other part of the tunnel.
Generators. Across the Colorado River, there's another power plant over there, the Arizona power plant. It has 9 generators in it, one more than here, for a grand total of 17. Now, obviously, in front of us are the generators. Notice the light at the top, and that water is gathering speed that whole trip. By the time the water hits that water wheel, it's going 48 miles an hour.
We go on the original elevator.
All the way to the back.
Not so tall, yeah.
You stood up.
One by one, we go to this window, like we are inside the dam. So that's the window we saw from the top, the visitor center, and that's the view we have. We are inside the dam, in the middle.
than the yellow pines from the Carolinas. Yellow pine was probably a little cheaper, probably made a much better straightaway. So I just gave you 2 raw materials in 2 states. Did you know that Hoover Dam was built with a contribution of every state of the nation, whether they sent raw materials, supplies, people, or equipment? So for many, many years, this dam was considered America's dam on the dam to include the power plant. In fact, we take earthquakes very seriously here in Nevada because if you did not know, Nevada as a state is the 3rd leading state in earthquake activities. There's only 2 other states with more earthquakes than Nevada, California and Alaska.
Sisters. On the top.
Triple knot, would you?
And oops, sorry. To go down. Whoa.
I'm going to stop by it.
On the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters.
That's it, guys, for the tour of the Hoover Dam. And if you want, at the end, you can do an optional tour at the museum and an overlook. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you for the next one.